Hello everyone, it's Mike. Welcome to Mrami Gaming. If you're a returning viewer, hello. If you're passers-by, hello as well. Um, this video is going to be short and sweet. I just want to do two things. Excuse me. Which would be, I unfortunately can't show it on screen, but I'm just going to show the creation of a safe zone or a custom zone and how it works, because I'm not sure if people understand it just yet. Basically, you can... I'll get there when I get there. That's number one. And then number two is I want to showcase those kits in that new kit vending machine, and you'll see that in just a second. So, yep, two things to show you, and I'll be real quick. I'll probably do the vending machine first. So, let me get to it. Should be pretty easy. And yeah, you see me in a blue hazmat. They added with this update a bunch of cool things, actually. I can give myself and other players the heavy scientist hazmat, the outpost ones. So like admin items, I can probably sell them for something special, you know, make the server cool, unique. I already gave it a go, too. You'll see. I should float over there, huh? Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna float on over. I don't mind showing the admin stuff simply because there's other people who might need help or would like advice. You know, you can message me, reach out to me on my YouTube channel, at Mrami Gaming. Alright, and this is that kit vending machine that I was talking about. So I already set up a few kits. As you see, this one is Mrami Gaming YouTube, which is hopefully to incentivize anybody who sees my content. Stop on over, there's a kit for you waiting. I'm sure there's like a way to get specific channel members. I don't know how to do that yet, but once I learn, voila, it'll be more personalized. Excuse me. And what you get with this kit is a Tommy, the heavy scientist hazmat suit. The protection and radiation is all the same. The good tools, and 2 syringes for a start. The VIP start is more for the Discord members and long-time players that I remember personally. So I would put them in the VIP as an admin, and boom. Only they can get this kit exclusively. Which is basically a free base, and it's kind of like a combination of the regular player start, which is some teas for 75 scrap. You get all 3. And then a little starter kit. The OK tools, a backpack, a Revi, and the blue hazmat suit. I just changed it to that to make it more unique. So yeah, I think they're pretty balanced, pretty fair. 15 for the YouTube viewers because, you know, they also take the time to view my content, and I appreciate that. So this is, I guess, the best I can do as of now to kind of pay it back. I could make it cheaper even. But yeah, that's the quick kit vending and how you set that up as an admin. You open up your menu, which for PlayStation it's pressing X and triangle. You would go to... Oh, look, it's right there as a feature already. Open Kit Manager. Voila. And then the 4 kits you've seen in the vending machine are these 4 here. And then instead of entering console commands like you used to, you can just do this and select the gear out of the variety of menus that they have. Everything. I would go continue to the next step, give it a name, what it's about, its symbol, who can see it, and who can buy it, I meant. this is who can see it. And I think it being restricted is to those specific titles. User, VIP. I'm having shortness of breath. Alright, let me get out of this. And then to get it set up in the special vending machine, you'd go press, for example, X. And then, in this case, it's already added, but you would just, it would give an option to add it to the vending machine. You'd configure it how you want, or change existing settings, like so. How much it has, how much it resupplies, how often it resupplies, and as many times as they can purchase this kit. Which for VIPs, they can buy it as much as they want. You know, they've earned it. Yeah, that's that. Let me go on over, make daytime quick. Come on, man. Come on, Mike. Alright. And then for zones, again, I can't show it on screen. I don't have, like, recording software just yet. So I'm going to do it the crude way. I'm going to use my phone to establish the zone. These coordinates are very important. So here I'm going to go and open my G portal quick on my phone. You can do it through a laptop. For whatever reason, on my display, it doesn't show the menu. Alright, just a second. I wish I could show you. And there's a good paid, good website you can code to. It's called, like, Rust Gitbook, where it shows you everything you'll need. Alright, so to create a custom zone, you go to your console command, and then you type in, I do it all in lowercase, so zones.createcustomzone. Create custom zone. Space. And then you have to put quotation marks. The name you want it to be, so I'll just put Desert Dome. Space. And then you type in the coordinates that you see on the screen, not the command for it. So you see it right above the mic icon. So it says 90, here, let me get into the button. 96.00 dash 6.00 dash 1271.00 space, and then you have to put the rotation, but since I'm making it a dome, it's going to be, I believe, 45 sphere. I put 300 to make sure it's sizable. And then my choice of configuration is you can find the settings. It'll tell you each one in the Git book, but just follow what you're hearing. So after you type in, I'll go back and say everything. So the command is zones.createcustomzone space quotation mark, whatever name you want it to be. The coordinates, 45, which is the rotation, sphere is the shape, 300 is the radius, and then after that you type in 0, 0, 0, 0.01, which makes it to be that it's completely safe. No one can harm anybody. They're safe from NPCs, and the last one is so that people can build. So if I type this and did this correctly, I hit send. Alright, and then there's a little prompt on the screen. You have entered the zone Desert Dome. Ta-da! I probably explained that horribly. I'll type it out in the description. And there you have it. And I made it pretty big. So I'm going to have to fly up so you can see it. I put in 300. And you see that white line on the beach? That's the radius of the safe zone. So no one can get raided, killed. It's a safe zone. You're perfectly good here. If I made it more in the water, it would be safe, like your tugboats, I meant. I think it's in the water pretty far. Oh yeah, you could bring a tugboat in and it would be fine. You know what, I might be getting sick. Which sucks. Yep, that's zone creation. As an admin, any structure that you build, you can still damage. So to really make sure that it works, have one of your players come in and just try to blow it up. Yeah, there you have it. It's just a short video trying to, I guess, entice people to check out the server. It's actually going to close down in 16 days because the server owner is giving it all to me, so... And I can't find a way to change it, so it's turning into, I'm just going to pay for my own server. And it'll still be ours, but I'll keep it going. And the name, I figured out the name. Oh, baby, I love it. But, you know, subject to change, personal bias also, is Mrami Mania. I'm thinking that's the name for the server, and after that, I don't want to change it anymore. Mrami Mania, just 2x, 3x multipliers. Basically, just get on the server, play, have a quick blast of fun, and one and done, you know. Yeah, that's all I can think of. I'm sorry for the long pause. I'm just trying to figure out what to say here. I don't have scripts, so I just kind of